Earthwise won the Community Waste Award for the WasteSorted Awards. The motto is caring for each other and caring for the earth. That kind of encompasses a whole lot of things. That's the op shop. We've got a garden, we've got the food centre, which we collect donated food, give that out to people. Waste diversion area is huge because there's so much waste in the world, and the big secret is people don't value it, so they're trying to throw it out, so it's all free. So all the soil here has been made from materials that have been thrown out. All of this has been thrown out. So all the garden beds rescued. This is the stuff that we'll use in the garden, but this has got leaves, it's got coffee grounds, it's got manure. So again, you can have quite an extensive garden and just use the resources that are being thrown out. And that's really the message that we're saying, is use what you've got and use it wisely. We have over 50 volunteers doing stuff and one paid coordinator.
We have extraordinary volunteers that all have different skills. So we can utilise those skills because one person can't do it all. So this is the food centre. We get rescued food. Here today we have chickens, frozen chickens, but this would be a classic example of tomatoes that were being thrown out. They're wonderful tomatoes. This week we had close to 1 tonne of food delivered that has been diverted from landfill.
I love feeding people wonderful food. The idea that a lot of this food was destined for landfill is even better.
The Earthwise Community is absolutely bloody essential.
It's like an anchor.
I think we're really blessed to have them.